Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a speed ramp in DaVinci Resolve. It's quick and easy and it can make your videos look awesome. So let's get into it. So to start the speed ramp, we're going to need a video in our timeline, and from here, making sure that we're in the editing tab over here at the bottom, we're going to right click on the actual video and we're going to run up to retime controls, and this will add this in over here. What we will do is you'll push play or use your left arrow or right arrow to navigate to a point where you would like to actually create a point break so we can change the speed of each one of those clips. So let's choose a point. I've chosen my point right over here, and what we're going to do is on the 100% with the arrow just over here on the actual video in the timeline, you're going to use the drop down menu and click on add speed point. This is a speed point right over here. We are going to now navigate to the point of the video where we would like to close that speed point and make a cut. So let's drag it over and let's put it just over here. Once we have gotten to that point, again, we're going to hit that down arrow, add speed point. So what's basically happening here is you have three sections of your video. Now, if you click on this arrow in this middle section here, you want to say change speed, and here you want to change it to your desired speed. What's going to happen now is if you right click on this video and you go and click on retime curve, you will actually see the curve over here quite rigid and not really flowing into the different speeds. So what we want to do here is select each one of the points, and at the top here you want to make sure that it's curved. We're going to do the same to this one over here and curve it. Now to curve it even more, as you can see, this is a little bit sharp for my liking. You're going to select the point and come over here to the left or the right of the point, and you can drag it to soften that curve. We can do the same to this one right over here. We're going to soften that curve as well by dragging it open. Once we're done, we're going to go up to the inspector tab right over here. Okay, now once this inspector tab is open, this is what it'll look like, and you're going to click on video and you're going to scroll all the way down and you will see retime and scaling. Now if this is on, which it should be in red, you're going to look for retime process, and you're not going to use project settings, you're going to look for optical flow, and this will allow you to have a smooth speed ramp on your video. In actual fact, this is what it will look like. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of awesome content. We'll see you over there. Peace out.